is just around the corner, and the Springfield-Greene County Health Department is reminding parents to get their kids vaccinated ahead of time. Savannah Harrison joins us live. She has more on which vaccines your child needs and when. Savannah, good morning.
Good morning. The Springfield-Greene County Health Department tells me that most children need their vaccines before they enter kindergarten, as well as before they enter 8th grade and their senior year of high school, to help prevent the spread of disease in schools. Now, most children can get their vaccines through their primary care provider, though underinsured, uninsured, Native American, and Alaskan Native children can get their vaccines through the Springfield-Greene County Health Department. The health department also hosts several vaccine clinics for families to take their children to get their back-to-school vaccines. Now, the health department says getting your child vaccinated is one of the best ways to prevent illness during the school year.
Essentially just to protect their health. So if they encounter one of these diseases, these vaccines will prime their immune system to recognize those diseases and fight back very quickly to prevent illness, or at least give them mild versions of the illness.
Now, if you're looking to get your child vaccinated through the Springfield-Greene County Health Department, we do have a list of those upcoming clinics on our website, ky3.com, so you can head there and see that list for whenever you can take your child to get vaccinated. For KY3 News, I'm Savannah Harrison.
Savannah, thank you.